Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am class 3 English teacher. This is the second video of unit 1 We Are One World from your English textbook. Today I will be explaining you the reading comprehension exercise which is given on page number 9 of your English textbook. The question is, write the numbers 1 to 8 beside the countries in the order in which they appear in the poem. Here the name of the countries are given you. In this question what you have to do, write the correct order of the countries according to the poem. Chad is on number 8. Japan is on number 6. Peru is on number 4. USA is on number 7. Norway is on number 3. Spain is on number 2. Canada is on number 1. Egypt is on number 5. Page number 9, exercise B. Match the names of the children to the correct sentences. Here the name of the children are given you and you have to match with the sentences these names. Ramon, Jack, Pyrie, Anwar. Live. Ramon laughs with giraffe in Peru. Jack writes poem at night on a writing pad. Pyrie bikes along the shady lanes in Canada. Anwar is from Egypt. Leif visits the Norwegian zoo. Page number 10, exercise 3. Complete the table of rhyming words below using words from the poem. First you have to know about rhyming words. Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Now come to the exercise. The first answer is given you. For example, Spain, lane. Number 2, Peru, zoo. Japanese, breeze. Chad, pet. Ball, all. Now page number 10, exercise D. What is the main idea of the poem? Here are the few sentences are given you and you have to choose the correct sentence which is the main idea of the poem. Both Pyrie and Marla like to ride bikes. Both Anwar and Kim like to fly kites. Both Jack and Carintha like to write poems at night. Children across the globe are part of the same world, and the right answer is children across the globe are part of the same world. Page number 11, vocabulary. Name of the nationalities and languages begin with capital letters. These words usually end with AN or ESE. Here are the few examples given you and I explain you with the help of examples. I also explain you. I am Lee. I was born in China. I am Chinese. I speak Mandarin and English. You can see here the Lee is from China and we say him Chinese, and you can see the spelling of Chinese in the end ESE come here. The next example, I am Mariani. I was born in Philippines. I am Filipino. I can speak Tagalog. Now you can see here Mariani is from Philippines and we call her Filipino. It's mean her nationality is Filipino. But you can see here is no an or ese. Then it's not means कि always the nationality will end on an or ese. But usually it is end with an or ese. Here are few more examples given you. You can see here the James is from Canada and we call him Canadian. Bonita is from Italy and we call him Italian. And Vic is from Thai and we call him Thai. Now come to the exercise. Page number 12. Complete the table. Add NANESE at the end of the word for the different nationalities. The first one has been done for you. Here the country and nationality column is given you. Countries are written here and you have to write here the nationalities of these country. First one is given you, for example, Cambodia, Cambodian. Vietnam, Vietnamese. America, American. Japan, Japanese. Taiwan, Taiwanese. Korea, Korean. Indonesia, Indonesian. Singapore, Singaporean. Malaysia, Malaysian. Australia, Australian. Let's see the page 13. It's a grammar page. The word both refers to two people or thing. When there are only two in the group, the word all refers to everyone or everything in a group of more than two. We use plural form of the verb with the words both and all. The exercise is circle the correct word of each sentence. Now come to the first sentence. In the first sentence, Lee and Kim eat curry with rice. You can see here Lee and Kim are two persons. Then the answer will be both. Number 2, the children in the school needs to wear uniform. Children means more than two. Then here all will come. Number 3, the 5 cousins love to play together. 5 means more than 2. Then all will come. Number 4, the food must be brought to picnic. Here not mention how much food is here. Then we assume here more than 2 food and we write here all. Number 5, Sally and Andy are waiting for their parents. Sally and Andy are 2 persons. Then both will come. Page number 14. A to infinitive is made up of to and the base form of a verb. The base form of a verb is always in the present tense. To infinitive means we use to before first form of verb. Let's see the exercise. Circle the correct form of verb to use with the to infinitive. Number 1, he likes to took his lunch to the park. Here the two verbs are given you, take and took. Take is the first form of verb and took is the second form of verb. And I have explained you before, in to infinitive we always use the first form of verb. Then the take will be the answer. There are taking the rain to visit grandma. Here also we choose the first form of verb and the first form of verb is visit. She was happy to get a gift. Here also we choose the first form of verb and it is get. Bila was glad to receive a letter and the first form is receive. All the children love to ride on animal. and the first form is ride. Page number 15. Spelling. Read the following words. They all end with the letter Y. Here are the words given you. Cherry. Cherry is the name of a fruit. Fluffy. Fluffy means naram, मुलायम. Sorry, माफी मांगना. Country, मुल्क. Story, कहानी. Curry, सालन. Juicy, full of juice. Starry, सितारों से भरा हुआ. Happy, खुश. Hungry, भूखा. Now come to the exercise. Filling in the blanks using the words from the word list above. He was so hungry that ate 2 bowls of rice. Number 2. Anaya loves to eat rice and curry. Number 3. Every night before bed, my mother reads me a bedtime story. The sky was very starry last night. Keenan was sorry for losing Mom's purse. My sister loves to eat juicy and sweet oranges. Which country do you come from? The next page is page number 18 is a writing page. Is a writing page. What you have to do, complete the following sentences using the to infinitive of verbs in the bracket. Here in the bracket, the first form of verb given you, and you have to change it into to infinitive. What you have to do, you use to before the given verb in the bracket. We have to do our homework. My sister learns to play the piano. They want to go to the park. I would like to get a pet. The policeman ordered me to stop. I will remember to call you tonight. Do you want me to pass the salt? Are you learning to swim? Now these all verbs change into to infinitive. Thank you, children. Thank you, children, for listening me carefully, and inshallah next time I will come with you with my next video. Allah Hafiz.